Hello traders, let's see what we can expect after this gap up. And Nifty opened almost a 300 points gap up and consolidated in this range, and it is almost 200 points range from the day's high to day's low. Let's see the important levels and create our plan for tomorrow. And before going further, let's analyze today's price action. After opening a gap up, Nifty consolidated most of the day, and around this point there is a breakdown and there is a sharp fall for 10 minutes, and after that there is a buying from this point, and Nifty consolidated in this range, and there is a breakout around this point. There is a breakout on the upside, then there is a breakdown and there is a breakout, and it consolidated in this range. It is just a simple consolidation with a both sides movement. Let's mark the important levels for tomorrow. This is one of the important support level, yesterday's closing price, and this is one of the important resistance levels, and this will act as a resistance. There is a selling from this point, and this will be support zone. That's all. These are the areas. If you want, you can consider this as a support zone. If Nifty opens inside this range, this is also will become as a resistance if it opens inside this range. If it opens above this range, don't consider this level. This is not valid anymore. If Nifty opens inside this range, if it breaks on the upside, this should be the first target. I am not considering this level. If it opens inside this range, this should be our first target. Or you can measure the breakout point and the low of the day, or this is swing low, and you can aim for 1:2. From this point to this point, you can aim 1:2 target if it opens inside the range. And if it breaks this range after opening inside this range, and you should aim for 1:2 target, same as the upside move. And we don't have any levels, and there is a possibility if this level breaks, there is a possibility for gap filling, but you should aim for 1:2 target. It may bounce from this level, or it may bounce from this level somewhere in the middle. It is possible. If you want to be on the safe side, book 1:2 target. And if it opens gap down, there may be a retest, or there may not be a retest. It is going to fill this gap if there is going to be any gap down. If it's going to open a gap up inside this range or above this range, there is going to be a retest till this level or this level, and it may bounce back again to create a new high. These are the possibilities for tomorrow, and this is a big gap up after yesterday's movement, that is a Friday's movement. This is a big gap up. It's almost 1000 points rally from Friday's low. In daily time frame also, Nifty closed about 20 EMA and 20 SMA, so the trend changed on a higher time frame as well. So from now onwards, we should focus on buy and dips strategy. Then there can be pullbacks and there can be red closings, but the trend changed overall. From the past few weeks, the trend is bearish. Now the trend is going to change. You should follow buy and dip strategy. In yesterday's video, we discussed that Nifty should close about 20 EMA for the trend to change in daily time frame, and it happened. Let's check the open interest. Nifty's PCR is 1.02. That is a neutral. Today's price action is a sideways price action, so it is indicating a sideways momentum, and it may be in a sideways momentum for a few days. If the low or the high are not breaking, today's low and the high are not breaking, it may be in a sideways range for a few days, because the market needs to digest this move, Friday's move and today's gap up. It may take some time. After today's consolidation, 1 or 2 days consolidation, we may see breakout on the higher side or on the lower side. Option sellers created short straddles around 24,200 and around 24,300 with higher call OA. 24,300 may act as resistance and 24,000 may act as a support as per option chain, and there is a major resistance around 24,500. That's all from the option chain point of view. Remember these levels, and you can trade accordingly to the levels based on tomorrow's market momentum. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.